Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 5050, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. What's the meaning of angel number 5050? What's the symbolism of 5050? What is the spiritual significance? What does the 5050 mean for love? What does 5050 mean for twin flames? What does 5050 for manifestation? How does angel number 5050 affect finances? What does 5050 mean for former relationships? How does 5050 guide your work life? What are the strengths of angel number 5050? What are the weaknesses of angel number 5050? What's the meaning of angel number 5050? Angel number 5050 is a powerful message about change, freedom, and spiritual evolution. The number 5 represents transformation, personal freedom, and life lessons, while 0 symbolizes infinite possibilities and divine guidance. Together, they signal that significant life changes are unfolding, designed to realign you with your true purpose. 5050 encourages you to embrace new opportunities, release fear, and trust that these changes are spiritually guided. It's a reminder to let go of outdated patterns and to stay open to fresh beginnings that promote growth, independence, and a deeper connection with your higher self and life's greater plan. What's the symbolism of angel number 5050? The symbolism of angel number 5050 centers around transition, personal empowerment, and divine support through uncertainty. The dual appearance of 5 and 0 magnifies the themes of change and spiritual renewal. The 5s emphasize adventure, choices, and learning through experience, while the 0s highlight your connection to the divine and the eternal nature of your soul. This number often appears when you're at a pivotal crossroads and being called to move forward boldly. Symbolically, 5050 tells you that although transformation can be uncomfortable, it is essential for progress. Trust in your inner wisdom and the universe's plan. What is the angel number 5050 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 5050 signifies a deep awakening and the need to align your life with your soul's purpose. It speaks to the power of spiritual transformation through conscious choice and surrender. The 5s reflect the changes you must embrace, while the 0s highlight divine protection and the infinite support available to you. This number encourages spiritual expansion, reminding you to stay open to higher wisdom and not resist the flow of life. 5050 urges you to trust your intuition, seek inner balance, and remain connected to your spiritual practice as you navigate major shifts and breakthroughs. What does the angel number 5050 mean for love? In love, angel number 5050 represents transformation, release, and new beginnings. It suggests that your love life is entering a phase of growth or renewal, and you're being asked to let go of outdated expectations or patterns. Whether single or in a relationship, 5050 encourages honesty, freedom, and emotional evolution. You may feel the need for more independence or clarity in your connections. This number also calls for open communication and willingness to evolve together if you're in a partnership. Love under 5050 is about aligning with authenticity and allowing relationships to transform in healthy, liberating ways. What does angel number 5050 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, angel number 5050 signifies a transformative period that may include separation, reunion, or inner awakening. It suggests that both individuals are going through necessary changes to prepare for a higher union. The 5s denote personal freedom and lessons, while the 0s represent spiritual connection and infinite love. This number may indicate a time to detach, heal, and grow independently before coming back together with more balance. Trust the process and allow the connection to evolve organically. 5050 confirms the divine nature of the bond and emphasizes the importance of inner work and spiritual alignment. What does angel number 5050 for manifestation? Angel number 5050 supports manifestation by encouraging you to embrace change, take bold steps, and align your actions with spiritual guidance. The combination of 5 and 0 urges you to release limiting beliefs and be open to new paths. This number signifies that your ability to manifest is increasing, especially when you remain adaptable and connected to your intuition. 5050 asks you to visualize your desires clearly, but also to stay flexible as the universe may deliver in unexpected ways. Trust in divine timing and allow change to be the catalyst that brings your dreams into reality. How does angel number 5050 affect finances? Financially, angel number 5050 signals change, opportunity, and a need for adaptability. It may indicate a career shift, new income sources, or an invitation to approach money in a more spiritually conscious way. The 5s suggest movement and risk-taking, while the 0s call for trust in divine provision. This number encourages smart but courageous financial decisions that support long-term growth. It also reminds you to stay open to unconventional paths to abundance. Although financial instability may be present temporarily, 5050 assures you that change is necessary for your financial freedom and that prosperity comes through alignment and bold choices. What does angel number 5050 mean for former relationships? Angel number 5050 regarding former relationships suggests healing, closure, and the release of emotional baggage. This number appears when it's time to forgive the past, learn from your experiences, and move forward with a lighter heart. The 5s reflect the importance of personal growth, while the 0s offer spiritual closure and peace. 5050 urges you to stop holding onto relationships that no longer serve your highest good. Instead, honor them as stepping stones in your journey. This number signifies freedom from emotional cycles and the readiness to welcome new connections built on evolved understanding and self-love. How does angel number 5050 guide your work life? In your work life, angel number 5050 encourages flexibility, innovation, and bold transitions. It often appears when you're being called to change careers, start a new venture, or pursue a path that better aligns with your values. The 5s push for movement and challenge you to step outside your comfort zone, while the 0s offer reassurance that you're supported spiritually in making daring professional decisions. 5050 invites you to trust your talents and explore work that brings both personal freedom and purpose. Don't fear reinvention, embrace it as a necessary part of your growth and long-term fulfillment. What are the strengths of angel number 5050? The strengths of angel number 5050 include adaptability, courage, spiritual awareness, and the ability to thrive in times of change. Individuals guided by this number are often forward-thinking, resilient, and highly intuitive. They embrace life's transitions as opportunities to learn and grow. 5050 grants the strength to break free from limiting beliefs or environments and pursue a more fulfilling path. Its energy supports independence, creative thinking, and a strong connection to spiritual guidance. People influenced by 5050 are often agents of transformation, capable of leading themselves and others through evolution with clarity, purpose, and inner strength. What are the weaknesses of angel number 5050? Weaknesses of angel number 5050 include restlessness, impulsiveness, and difficulty committing to stability. The influence of number 5 can cause a constant craving for change or novelty, sometimes leading to scattered focus or unfinished projects. The presence of 0 can bring moments of spiritual confusion or inertia if not grounded in daily practices. Those under this number's influence may struggle with indecision or fear of routine, avoiding necessary structure. 5050's energy must be balanced with discipline and clear goals. By integrating flexibility with consistency, individuals can avoid instability and harness 5050's power in a constructive, purposeful way.